Hello, it's Justina Featherstone, Senior Field Trainer with Financial Education Services, and it's 2019. I've heard many of you say that you want to change your life, change your credit, change your income, but what steps have you taken towards doing that? The year is flying by and time is of the essence. If you really truly want change, you have to do something in order to make that change happen. I'll be the first to tell you that I have made many changes in my life. And when I decided that I wanted something, I went out and I did it. I decided 2 years ago that I was going to fix my credit. And not only did I fix my credit, but I also made a substantial amount of income. I also have built an organization of partners, leaders, school teachers, realtors, car dealerships, and more. All kinds of people from all walks of life, everyday people working their 9 to 5, hoping for more, better days to come. Yes. Now I know that many of you may think that credit is not important to you at this point until you need it, until you're at the dealership and you can't get approved, until you're trying to get a loan and you realize that you can't. You don't want to be in a position where you realize that you need credit and you don't have it. Get ahead of the game. Take the opportunity now to fast track your life. Where do you want to see yourself in 2 years from now? Because 2 years ago you were still in the same place you are now. Harsh. Truth hurts. But I know a lot of you want that change, but you've got to be willing to take action. You have to be willing to take the next step. I would recommend getting with a reputable company, one that has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Get yourself a professional who is well versed in the matters of credit and financial literacy. And that's what I have become in the past 2 years. So many of you need help. I see the issues that you have, and I want to help you. But you have to first want to help yourself. You have to decide that you're going to do something to change your situation. There's no miracle drug or magic button that's going to undo everything that you have done. The best thing that you can do is get enrolled. The best thing that you can do is get yourself involved in the protection plan.